Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful. But this you won't believe what stumbled changes everything. Hold on a second. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. Single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this you won't believe what stumbled change.